I'm Karine Levy.
And I'm Lynn Law, this week's guest host.
And welcome to Rumor Has It, the show where we round up the week's biggest tech rumors.
And vote on the ones that sound legit and the ones that sound like it's probably a no-go.
And remember that you can vote on all of the rumors too, so keep your eye out for the poll in the interactive player if you're watching on CNET. First up, my favorite kind of rumor, next-gen consoles. According to leaked Microsoft documents on the site VGLeaks, the next Xbox will only offer hard drive-based game playback. You won't be able to play a game from the optical drive, which will also be Blu-ray. The doc goes on to say that it'll be big enough, quote, to hold a large number of games. Don't panic, though, because it also says that you'll be able to play the game while it's downloading.
Downloading games could mean faster load times, too. But as noted by The Verge, this leaked document is from last year. So keep in mind that Microsoft could have made a gajillion changes since then.
A gajillion?
Yes, more or less. That's a ballpark figure.
Okay, gotcha.
Our next rumor is from the people over at Droid Life, who says that Google Play's UI is getting a bunch of new design tweaks. These include larger thumbnail and icon images, a leaner and more streamlined layout, and my personal favorite, some new menu typefaces.
You're seriously excited about that, aren't you?
I have a lot of time on my hands. Don't judge me.
Well, whatever you're excited about, from what we can tell from the alleged preview, the store's new look appears to be tidier.
Right, and small things like that users also installed window that pops up right after you start downloading an app has seemed to disappear. In general, though, everything looks to be about the same. So you're not going to wake up one day and you see that your Google Play pulled a Facebook on you and timelined your ass.
Next up, TechCrunch is reporting that Amazon has a $99 Kindle Fire on the horizon. Citing nobody, TechCrunch just heard that the 7-inch device is on the production line with plans to ship sometime this year. Reportedly, the new device would use a TI chip and offer a 1280 by 800 pixel resolution, just like the current Kindle HD 7-inch tablet.
Amazon recently dropped the prices on the 8.9-inch Kindle Fire. This led TechCrunch to believe that much cheaper 7-inch Kindle Fires are on its way.
That's a really big leap. That $100 price difference is huge, especially when Amazon already loses money on each of its $199 Kindle Fires. So I don't really think that this rumor is true. At all. Ever.
And hey, neither does Amazon. Apparently, it totally refuted the claim and basically called TechCrunch a silly goose.
Then we're all in agreement.
Next, a rumor from the Financial Times says that Google may be developing a smartwatch.
I have a Jawbone up that I'm obsessed with for no reason at all, so I'm sure when all of these smartwatches come out, I'll buy each one and wear them up my arms like they're sleeves.
Right, because that won't look nerdy whatsoever.
No.
Keep in mind, smartwatches are nothing new. Samsung has been making them for years, Sony, LG, and Motorola have some, and Apple is rumored on this show even to be working on that tritely named iWatch. So the idea that Google is throwing its hat in the ring may not sound so far-fetched.
Especially now that we've reached a point in tech that we can cram all of these software features into a tiny amount of space.
True, and I think that walking around with this chunk of tech on your wrist doesn't look as unseemly or douchebaggy as, say, Google Glasses.
What do you guys think? Will Google jump onto the smartwatch bandwagon? Do you care? Do you think it'll be called the G-Time? Don't forget to vote and leave us a comment, and we'll check in with the CNET Council. The CNET Council is composed of 5 editors who cast their votes anonymously. Their opinions are not an endorsement by CNET or CBS Interactive.
Obviously, because these are rumors, folks.
And the Council's verdict is a unanimous yes. Every one of the editors we asked think that Google is coming out with its own smartwatch.
That's our show, everybody. Please share your rumors at rumorhasit@cnet.com or call us at 1-800-750-CNET and tweet us. And thanks to Lynn, this week's guest host.
Tune in next week for more tech rumors.